Okay, now you can choose the theme according to your uh, slide presentation. Here a lot of themes are given here, so uh, you can choose any one. uh, let's suppose I choose this one and continue. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to generate this presentation. Now, so here our presentation is ready. You can just give it marks in from these signs, and the whole presentation in very colorful manner, and all the topics are automatically searched from Google AI tool. So it's a very powerful, very informative, and very attractive. It takes hardly 2 to 3 minutes for generation. Look, see, it's arrange all the topics in very good manner there. And one more thing is very important that I want to tell you. You can download it from here in Google Slide or in PowerPoint. I suggest you download it in PowerPoint because you can insert or change uh, any slide right after downloading. So your presentation is ready. You can change, edit anywhere, anything. It's your property, and it's very colorful and powerful presentation. Thank you for watching. I request to you all, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks again. Goodbye.